I am on a journey to get back in shape and this is my first day going to the gym. Although it's raining, it shouldn't stop you getting healthy. Today we are hitting chest and back. Started with incline bench press, incline dumbbell fly and machine chest fly. 3 exercises for chest and 2 for back. For back we did leg pull down and 3 reps of seated cable row. After that we walked 10 minutes on the treadmill, incline 15, speed of 3 and headed back to home. I take this protein after the workout. It's very important to maintain your diet, otherwise you won't get any results. This is breakfast for Bushu. You might have seen in the previous vlog that she's not keeping well, so I'm giving her cheese and bread with plain black tea. Not a breakfast that she would like, but to recover she would have to have this for some days. After receiving some kisses from Bushu, it's time to prepare my breakfast, so I take avocado and apple. I like to organize my plate, so I cut them nicely and place them into the plate. So apart from banana and avocado, I also have 2 eggs. Fry them nicely, and this breakfast keeps my stomach full for at least 3 to 4 hours. Better to have juice, but I cannot miss my tea. Also making sure Bushu is taking her medicines on time. I gave Bushu her medicines and went for a quick shower. Even though I have a diet, I could not resist myself eating this pistachio croissant. This water distiller got delivered today. Shout out to my friend Eldridge for suggesting. Never had a practice of reading the manual, so I directly went on YouTube to see how to install it. Unboxing a new product is my favorite thing because you get to see something different. Here I'm still trying to figure out what goes where. Installing the handle is the first thing that I got right. Yes. This is the motor. Hello. Mic test 1 2 1 2. That does the purification and you get the cleanest water. Plugged in everything was ready and I started pouring water. This big vessel has a capacity of 4 liters. Once you put it on, the fan on the top of the motor starts running, indicating the process has started. This would take 10 to 15 minutes. Till then, I served food. My lunch is chicken, a little bit of pulao, yogurt and beef. By the time we finished eating, water was already dripping in that glass kettle. Now it was time to taste and see how it tasted. Trust me, this tasted different than the usual kettle that we use to boil water. I would suggest you to buy this one. Till then, I'll take a power nap. I was supposed to get up at 7, but I got up at 8 and ate another croissant. Usually I have my dinner before 8:30, but today because I woke up late, I might have it at 9. So this is me preparing soup for Bushu. I cut carrots and onions. I have been cooking soup these days, but only once I've got the taste right. Today was another bad day because I overfried the onions and instead of turning them into brown, they turn black. You can make out here when you look at the color of the water. So I added the macaroni and Maggi and waited for it to boil nicely so that I can serve it to Bushu. These days she's been eating very less because of her health. Bon appetit. Thank you. If you look at my plate, I'm not eating rice bread, it's dal, soup and beetroot.